Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Section 5, Group 5. We have 5 groups member. First, Nurul Alisha, Nurul Izzati, Nurul Nabila, Nurul Syahirah. I'm Syed Amiruddin Hilmi bin Syed Muhammad Al-Bakir. For introduction, renewable energy source including carbon neutral source such as sunshine exist and below intermittently, while time and weather depend on their supply. Renewable or emerges from natural source or method of ongoing replacement. Solar power is the better option in contrast to other solutions since it saves space. On the roof of the building, the solar panel can be mounted and does not require a wide area. In Malaysia, gets about 6 until 8 hours of sunshine during the daytime. We have chosen a single story bungalow. For flow and organization, our company. Director Syed Amiruddin Hilmi, Project Manager Nurul Nabila, Finance Administration Nurul Izzati, Operation Manager Nurul Alisha, and Design Development Department Nurul Syahirah binti Hassan. For problem statement, renewable energy is produced from sources like sun, wind, and biomass that are naturally abundant. Renewable energy is considered to be an eco-friendly source of energy which has zero to minimal carbon dioxide emission. Move to renewable energy in Malaysia has been challenging due to difficulties in accessing financing, lack of tariff and incentive. Converting sunlight into electricity is the core concept behind solar PV. With the assistance of PV technology in combination with mini grids, the generation of energy is possible. As a result, the solar PV installation have drastically increased in Malaysia. For objective this project, to identify the difference between conventional and renewable power system. The difference can be seen through the energy supplied by the load. The next objective is renewable power system has impact to its surrounding. We have 5 renewable. We have 5. First, renewable energy source, reduce electricity bill, diverse application. Fourth, low maintenance cost. Fifth, technology development. Next to my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahira binti Hassan. My chemistry is DE180146. Now I will explain to you about the grid type or 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 on grid system of solar power system. So the picture that you see in the screen is the diagram flow about the installation solar panel in our home. So the first device that I will explain is solar panel. The function of solar panel is absorbing solar photovoltaic ray by light and generate DC power through the solar panel. Next, an inverter. The inverter function is used to convert AC to DC power. Next, the power will um, supply to switchboard and transmit the DC power to domestic appliance at our home. For example, TV, washing machine, fan, aircon, and etc. Utility meter is monitoring all power a house receives and record the amount of solar power that return to the grid. This system also known as on-grid system. On-grid system means solar system is connected to the grid local power plant. This system have advantages. This system has advantages. The advantages is battery backup is not necessary because it's costly and unused solar power will direct to the grid. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Izzati binti Ahmad. My metric number is TE180114. Today I will explain about the calculation for our project. Okay, there are 18 type of load for this project And firstly, we need to calculate the total connected load, which is we need to total up all this value. And then for the total maximum demand, we also need to total up all the value for the maximum demand. And then the answer is 27727 volt for the total connected load and 11152.8 volt for the total maximum demand. And then the coincidental factor for this project is 0.9 because of the residential. And then the total design current, which is the total current estimate, we will get 64.1785 ampere. And then the total electrical energy cost per month is 77.5808. The calculation for the total electrical energy cost per month is based on this screen. And then for the calculation for renewable generation system, which is we add the solar panel for our project, and we need to calculate the total cost for the renewable generation system. The total maximum demand per month after we add the solar panel is 258.2256 kilowatt, and the saving for the electricity cost after implementation of renewable is based on the screen, and the total cost saving we will get 14.5334, which is we need to minus the estimated bill for the chosen building minus with the estimated bill after implementation of renewable.
My name is Nura Arisha binti Muhammad Zamri, matrix number DE18006. I will present about the stand-alone power system, which is off-grid. Panel used to obtain the energy of the solar. The energy will transmit to the solar inverter and then to the battery bank. If there has any unused energy, the energy will goes to the battery bank. The battery save the house power to be used at night or on the cloudy day. If the battery is full, solar system will stop to receive electricity.
My name is Nura Nabila. I will present the infographic part. Okay, this is our infographic. The title that we choose is electric power generation. We have two parts that we discuss in this section, which is the first one is conventional power generation and the second one is renewable power generation. Okay, as we know, in Malaysia, the common use of power generation is hydroelectric and thermal power. Okay, what is hydroelectric? In general, hydroelectric is energy from flowing water as a descent from a height, and potential energy is converted to electrical energy. Okay, look like this. This is a dam. Hydroelectric will flow from height to the river. So some process occur in that dam. Okay, for thermal, is conventional steam turbine and steam generator, principally fired by coal, oil, gas fired or diesel fired. Okay, will steam the turbine will move when the steam and other process occur. Okay, for renewable power generation, we have solar, wind, and biomass. Also, we have geothermal. From our project, we use on-grid solar connection. Okay, how it operates: connect to grid local power plant, and then switchboard allow electric from inverter to transmit to domestic. Excess energy will send to grid power plant. The advantage and disadvantage of conventional power generation and renewable power generation. The advantages of conventional power generation is low cost for initial, high in energy efficiency, energy sources are well known. For renewable power generation, reduce energy cost, does not emit pollution, get profit if resisted with the linear energy metering scheme. Okay, for the disadvantages, for conventional power generation, source will depleted, air pollution due to carbon dioxide emission, and have high cost in maintenance. For renewable power generation, inverter need to change every 5 to 10 years, high initial cost, huge space needed to install power plant. This is our costing that we made. which is that we can save 14.53 ringgit if we convert from conventional power generation to renewable power generation. After calculation, with the same load, we get 77 ringgit and 55 cent for conventional power generation, and for renewable power generation, which is we use solar, we get 63 ringgit and 5 cent. For environment effect, solar is one of the green energy and good for our mother nature, which is it does not affect ozone layer. For conventional power generation, after we use excessive source, then we get lack of source due to excessive consumption of fossil fuel. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
This assignment assists students to identify and research renewable resources that will never be depleted or insufficient. In Malaysia, solar energy is used as a renewable source relative to other renewables because of its high ambient temperature. In order to reduce the cost of generating units, electricity generation from renewable energy sources should be increased. Energy consumption depends on various factors including economic progress, population and energy prices. Okay, that's all from me. That's all from us. Thank you.